In this presentation, we'll look at the report recipient experience as they review a BizExcelerator report. For today's demonstration, I'm going to play the role of a decision maker in your organization, and I've just received my income statement for the month. In it, I can review my revenue and my expenses from a summary level for the 3 months for which this report was run. This is a static spreadsheet report, in which case the numbers were manually keyed in from multiple sources. This is helpful from a summary level, but is a challenge when it comes to answering additional questions, such as where did this number come from? What's the underlying detail? Or if I'd like to see a reformat to the report, for example, 6 months instead of 3. In a static spreadsheet, this requires a request back to the reporting specialist to have the report reformatted, refreshed, and redistributed. Let's look at the same situation using BizExcelerator. With a BizExcelerator report, we have a dynamic link to the ERP system, pulling data directly into the report. This empowers me as a decision maker from a variety of methods. First, if I'd like to see 6 months instead of 3, I simply highlight the cells, drag, and drop. And BizExcelerator goes to work to pull the data from the ERP system and update the report with the newest information. I can also modify the periods each month, and BizExcelerator will automatically refresh the data. No need to request additional backup or a new report from the reporting specialist. In addition, if I have questions about the source of the information, I simply right mouse click and drill down. BizExcelerator goes to work to create a pivot table drill down on the fly, multi-dimensional drill down. This empowers the decision maker from a variety of means. First, they can look at exactly the fields that they're interested in. For example, removing certain fields that aren't of interest, and adding others. For example, if I'd like to see the journal source, I can add that, or perhaps the transaction key. In a matter of moments, I'm able to answer a vast amount of questions without having to request this from the reporting specialist. So where did all this information come from? As I mentioned, BizExcelerator has a real-time integration with your ERP system. In order to tell BizExcelerator where to access that information, you don't have to understand where the database resides or in what tables it resides. Instead, you simply answer a few questions and fill in our function window. If we click on the function button, the few questions that you have to answer include what company ID, fiscal year, period, account group if you're using that in your ERP, and which segments. BizExcelerator will take this information and automatically pull it into the report. The decision maker is empowered to answer their own questions, reformat, and refresh the report on the fly. If you'd like to learn more about BizExcelerator, please visit our website. Call us toll-free or email us directly. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you and have a great day.